Okay, so I made it to my harvest host for the night, which is really nice. It is off the highway, so it's a little loud, but the hosts are amazing, and she has soaps and salsas and really cool stuff, and they are totally off grid, and she's raising little baby chickens and turkeys. These guys are so cute. You gotta take a look at this. All right, what's the name of your harvest host?
Clayton Farm.
Clayton Farm. And how long have y'all been here?
Here?
Yes.
We've lived here since September 2020. So what's that? 2.5 years now?
And you are totally off grid.
Yep.
And you've got really cool chickens, yummy salsa, really cool stuff. All right, let's go take a look at this place. All right, so I'm doing a little stop at Manitoulin Island. This place is really cool. Lots of really interesting things to learn about. Native Americans that were here, the history, and the scenery really is stunning. And can't forget the wildlife. Here's some wildlife. What is something interesting about Manitoulin Island?
Peaceful, quiet, polite people.
Unique.
No
It's like
traffic.
Our own cultures.
Powwows. Indigenous people, very nice.
So the tribe is, the native tribe would be called?
It's up here, Ojibwe.
Ojibwe.
Yeah.
So Ojibwe. Okay.
A lot. There's others also, but Ojibwe
Is the main
is
one.
Is
the
the main
main.
one. Okay. Do you speak Ojibwe?
No.
I can barely
Not that
speak.
talented.
I can barely speak American, so it's okay. I don't say I speak English. I speak American. Okay, we're gonna shop around and find some stuff. Here we go. Got a creepy mask. Doorkeeper, broken nose, protruding tongue, and spoon mouth. Lovely. Wait, are these relatives? I'm getting a blanket. These are really cool.
Okay.
I like the
We're
purple.
gonna check it.
Okay, here's the important part. We're going on here. It says behavior and incidents including, but not limited to swearing, shouting, acts of violence, or acts of discrimination could lead to denial of service. That's right. Behave yourself if you want to go on a ferry. Those are the rules.
It doesn't happen too often.
There's a loyalty card stamp. How many people do this ferry? A lot?
Yeah, I was just asking your partner there if you travel enough to warrant one. He said no.
No, I'm from Alabama.
I guess you won't be doing it,
Not
eh?
today.
Alabama.
Yes.
Wow, you're far, far from home.
That's true. I don't know when I'll be back, so I might be. This may be a one ticket.
That's okay. We'll still take your money.
I thought so. All right, so your name is?
Hi, I'm Scotty.
This is Scotty. And Scotty, you drove all the way from
Calgary.
Calgary, and you're going on the ferry. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
we're in the road.
Okay.
In the water.
In the water, and you've got a road trek. What year is it?
It's a 1990.
1990. How long have you had it?
I've had it for about 2 years now. I bought it off my cousin. He gave me a sweet deal on it. He had it for a while, but It's great. It was mostly just driven around Saskatchewan for a long time, and now I was cruising around out west of it, and now I'm moving out east.
Very cool. What's the one thing you actually like about van life?
What do I like about it? Just, having your own space and be able to go wherever you want, kind of at any time. Like, we tend to plan out our trips pretty well. Like, we know what campsites we're stopping at, but just being able to kind of go wherever. And you just have so much freedom, and you feel like you're in your little home on wheels. You guys get it.
I get it. That wind's gonna kill me. Cool beans. I love this. All right, well, man, thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
On the ferry. It's super cool. Rosie even likes it. Look at this. Here, Ro. Here, Rosie. It's gonna be a fun ride. Okay, they made us all come down to our cars now, and Puppy's okay. She's in her life jacket. Life is good. So she had a nice little nap, which is it's like a 2-hour tour. It was a 2-hour boat ride, and we're gonna get off here in a second. So very excited. Great job, guys. I would totally ride this whole ferry boat again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and join me on my next adventure video as I continue my travels to Ontario, Canada and take the adventure van to Lake Erie and Niagara Falls.